So I'm here to talk about Brighter by Nature Powder Foundation by Origins. And the compact is cute. It's just a little, little green basic compact. But when you open it up, you got the same standard mirror, powder, and then a container for the sponge applicator. And this sponge is a little different than the one that I just reviewed in the some kind of gorgeous. It's a different sponge, and it's almost actually like, I think this sponge is for dry powder foundation, because this is not a cream to powder, this is a powder foundation. And I prefer this a lot. I think this sponge is a lot nicer. So what this powder foundation also does is it has SPF 30, which is good for your skin if you spend a lot of time in the sun. And if you're fair, it's a great thing. I believe Some Kind of Gorgeous did not have, no, it does not have sunscreen. So already a plus on this one. Second, it is Brighter by Nature. You can see that. And what it does is it lightens acne marks. It fades them while you're wearing the makeup. So it's actually a 2-in-1 product, or a 3-in-1 product, because it covers, it protects from the sun, and it also lightens up. See, I have a couple of little blemishes here. I used it earlier, but I have to refresh it. And it actually does last quite well. What I do is I put it on over my moisturizer, and I've never had a problem like with Some Kind of Gorgeous. This doesn't peel on anything. I've had it over sunscreen, I've had it over bare skin, I've had it over, just any kind of moisturizer, and it just works. And I believe this was a little bit more than the Some Kind of Gorgeous. I think this is closer to $30 for this, and you get 28 ounces. I believe the other one you got about the same. Well, you got a little bit more with the Some Kind of Gorgeous, but this actually lasts quite a bit. I got this in, I want to say like May or June, and I still have quite a bit left because you don't actually end up using a whole lot of it. So this is a great powder foundation for those of us who have a little bit of shine on their T-zone, a couple of acne marks, and you just want something that'll cover and, just stay on your face. And it also, it works great in hot climates, because I went to the Caribbean in June and I brought this and it didn't leak off my face like liquid foundation might. It actually stayed put. And I like the fact that it had SPF 30, so I didn't have to wear a sunscreen underneath. I could just wear a regular moisturizer and then put this on top, and I was protected for the whole day. And then I have this bronzer by The Body Shop that I like. It's part of their honey line that they had this summer, and I just take that with the kabuki brush and put it over, and I'm wearing it now, and you can sort of see that's what some of the shine on, like the shiny parts on my face is, and it just looks nice over. And I'm like a fair skin complexion. This is me with a little bit of a tan, and I wear the light cool number 3. I don't know if you can see that. And it matches perfectly, it blends perfectly. It's not like, looks bad, looks different. It sits pretty nicely on the skin. So my favorite powder foundation is definitely Brighter by Nature by Origins, and I think that it's a good buy for the money. And I think that Some Kind of Gorgeous by Benefit is not such a good buy for the money, because you end up with it sitting on top of your skin. I know some people have really good reactions to that. If you have drier skin, that might be better for you, because your skin isn't oily and it's not going to get, gross from it. But anyways, those were my reviews, and I hope you enjoy them, and now you know what's good to buy and what's not good to buy, and I hope you find the perfect foundation for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.